Using filters in Google Sheets can be a helpful way to look at a subset of data. So if I select my data, click Data, Create a Filter, you'll notice that now there are these little green lines in every column header. That'll allow you to filter the data. So if I click on those little lines, I've got a few options. I can filter by values. So let's say I only want to look at roller coasters in Virginia. So if I do clear that, only look at Virginia, great. It has hidden all of the roller coasters that are in other states, and now I'm only looking at the ones in Virginia. To clear a filter, you can just go back in and say, all right, select all. Okay, now it's back to normal. If you want to be a little more creative with your filters, you can go to, let's go to top speed, filter by condition. So let's say I only want to look at roller coasters where the top speed is greater than or equal to 60 miles an hour. Okay. So again, that's filter by condition. From the drop-down menu, you click what you need. I clicked greater than or equal to, and then typed in the value. So now I'm only looking at roller coasters with a top speed of at least 60 miles an hour. Now, the nice thing is that you can apply filters to multiple columns at once. So let's say now, go back to state. Let's say I'm only interested in the ones in Texas. Okay. These are the only coasters in this data set that are both in Texas and have a top speed of at least 60 miles an hour. And you can keep filtering more if you need to. If you want to remove all of the filters, go back to Data and click Remove Filter. Filters are a helpful way to clean data because you can only look at, for example, the blank values. So let's say I only want to look at the coasters that have a blank top speed. Well, I can come in and delete these rows, and now I have done part of the cleaning process because I looked for coasters with a blank top speed and I have deleted those. So now if I remove the filter, you can see that all of the coasters I have left have a value for the top speed. You can continue that process for each of the columns to continue cleaning the data.